Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. If you want to see these brushes go from dirty to clean, keep watching. In a bowl, take some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, and some mild dish soap, about 2 tablespoons, and mix it together to rub your brushes in. Rub your brushes on the palm of your hand, and the friction will help to break down any makeup or dirt that's in your brushes. Repeat this process with all your brushes. Make sure your hands are clean when you start. I didn't think I needed to say it, but just in case. Clean hands, clean bowl to clean your brushes. That way you won't be putting any dirt back on your face. If you want to do the next step this way, feel free, but if not, you can do it with running water in the sink. I like putting my water in bowls so that I can see the amount of dirt and makeup that comes off. Please be advised, don't use boiling water, but you can use hot water. At this point, all of the makeup should come out. I'm just washing about 8 brushes, but if you're a person who uses a lot of makeup or a lot of brushes, it may be better for you to just do this in the sink. At this point, I completely forgot that I needed a towel to put the brushes on so that whenever they drip water, they don't just drip on my board. So again, if you have a lot of brushes, you might want to do this in the sink or change your water halfway through. After all the brushes are rinsed, pour out the dirty water and dip the brushes in clean water. I'm going to do this actually twice, but it's optional for you if you want to do it that many times. I'm just prone to acne, and so I just wanted to make sure all the old makeup and dirt was out and I can keep my face blemish free. If you want to use cleansers that are more natural, I have seen videos where people use witch hazel or Castile soap. You can find both of those at grocery stores or health food stores. As I rinse the brushes, I am just pressing out the water and I'm making sure not to pull too hard so I don't pull them from the base, but I do want to press out as much water as possible. Again, this last rinse is a completely optional step. I just like to make sure they are extra clean. So once I dip them, I put them on a towel and I press out the excess water. After that, I spread them out and let them dry overnight. And that's it, y'all. Thanks for watching this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a good day.